Today I will cook chicken masala with potato and I will everything what I'm use. Let's go see. Ginger, garlic, onion, potato, tomato, yogurt, masala, cherry powder, turmeric, chicken. Let's go do. I will go clean the chicken. See. And the ginger, I gotta take the skin off. Ginger, I don't have machine. Half and we put inside. Checking. I put ginger inside and I will gotta put yogurt. Masala. I like masala and cherry powder. Cherry powder we make chicken have color, it's a nice color, and turmeric. A little bit. Salt, little bit. And chicken powder. And we mix together. We mix together chicken. I do 101 in the face. Chop vegetable. I have to put. We put on the plate for a little while. Onion. We gotta use onion a lot. Chops onion make me cry all the time. I want to move. Garlic stay far away from me. Less garlic or less onion. Stay on here, and I gotta do tomato again and potato. I will chop a little bit for that one uncooked and put on the plate. And turn to I use potato too today, homemade lady, and First of all, I already chop tomato, potato. It's not small. That's medium. Medium. Why? Oh, I can't see onion, okay? That's the onion and garlic. I put first time onion. To move a little bit, make onion color. We have to cook onion and we gotta cook garlic with onion together. As I said, my friend, I don't do video every day. Only one I do 1 week a time. I cannot eat every day food. Today, every week Tuesday I do video my food cooking from Angelina Cooking. Onion, if you cook the onion, when you fry onion, you need to have time 20 minutes, and you have to stir, don't get burned, and we have a nice make onion nice color. And we stir mix each other together. Tomato inside, we don't need to stir a lot because tomato, if we make a lot, got the smell, sour. Smell masala. My chicken smell masala. I like masala so much. I'm not India. I'm a wild people, wild lady. I like masala. I like to cook all the time on my family. My family all like my cook. Time to put chicken. Together, cook for a little while, chicken, and we put potato, okay? And we put potato and stir together. We stir mix together. We add water, let him go away, and make the sauce, chicken, potato. Time to take my potato and we chicken. Potato is got a soppy, chicken got a soppy. Then we wait 20 minutes again. We chicken it's been 20 minutes And I will stir, and water just go away. Just about done. I add cherry a little bit because I like cherry. My chicken masala with potato sauce is cooked down, and I have rice, very light, already cooked and ready to eat. And then lamb. I put cilantro and green onion a little bit in top. Go eat. Let's go eat. I'm hungry. Put lamb in top a little bit. Wow, so tasty, delicious, yummy. If you like my video, don't forget like, subscribe, share my video. See you the next time. Bye bye.